Oh no, gas prices are so high and I drive a big old truck. I made the bad decision. I'm gonna live with my consequences.
Trucks have become more of a status symbol than a work vehicle. They look flashy, they have every option you would get with a high-end luxury vehicle, but that comes with a price. Welcome to the channel, I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
You said you wanted to talk to the manager about something going on with your truck?
I actually wanted to talk to you about this because, man, I'm just trying to get my car back. I bought this truck with you guys, and it's wasting way too much gas compared to my car.
If I see here correctly, you bought a lifted Ram 1500 pickup truck. Those things have a really big engine. It's like a 5.7, and it was on 35s, if I remember correctly. It's definitely going to waste a lot more gas than your Hyundai did, man.
It's like breaking the bank at this point. I would only fill my Hyundai like once a week. Now I'm filling it every other day, and it's getting pretty annoying. I'm really wanting my Elantra back. I'm gonna end up just coming over there with the truck and just trying to see if I can get it back.
As far as you bringing the truck back, we can't just take it back because it wastes too much gas. That's not a good reason. I'm guessing you just drive a lot or something?
I drive every day to work, almost like 30 miles here and back.
Now, I would love another truck, but I don't want the expense right now, and the main one is the cost of fuel. Every time I go to the pump, the price has gone up. Every long weekend, every holiday, the price goes up even higher just because they can. The vehicle I drive right now is nothing fancy. I really didn't care about how it looked. But one of the things that sold me on it was the gas mileage. Even with the rising cost of fuel, it's barely noticeable.
It shouldn't be wasting that much gas. Are you like flooring it everywhere you go?
I carry loads in the back of the truck. That's what I got it for. The weight is what's making me waste a lot of gas.
Going from a little four-cylinder compact car to a full-size lifted pickup truck, there's going to be quite a bit of difference.
I just really needed my car back. Honestly, if I'm not able to get my car back, then I'm going to just have to go through with my lawyer.
As far as just undoing the deal 100%, I can't do that because you have been driving the truck for about a month or so now. You have put some miles on it. We already did your title, registration, tags, all that stuff as well. What I could do is I could take your vehicle in trade back, but it's not going to be for what you bought it for, because obviously just you not thinking about how much gas it was going to waste isn't really our fault. I could definitely see if I could work something with the finance company where we take it in trade and then you buy the Hyundai back.
I wasn't really expecting that. I was just trying to get my car back one way or another. If that's the case, you'll probably be hearing from my lawyers then.
We didn't do anything wrong. I guess it was just a little bit of responsibility on your side. You should have kept in mind that it's a lifted truck and it's going to waste a lot more gas than a Hyundai did.
Whatever. You guys will be hearing from that.
Sounds good.
I think it's pretty obvious the lawyer isn't going to do anything here. It was a bad financial decision on his part. Everyone should know that going from a 4-cylinder Hyundai to a 5.7-liter lifted Ram is going to cost a lot more in fuel. It should have been one of the first things he thought about when purchasing. I'm going to guess he did know, but really wanted that truck. Now, after filling it up a few times, he regrets that decision.
$71,708. What a great deal. With all the rebates and incentives on this 2025 Ram 1500 bat truck, ooh, what a phenomenal price. Let's look at it. It's a lowered bat truck. And everyone says, oh, you know, Batman would never drive that. This has got nothing to do with Batman. BAT stands for Badass Trucks. Right here, and this is one. The only lowered bat truck in East Texas. Woo! Glowing bat logo here on the front. You got the light that glows down with their logo. And the inside is like nothing you've ever seen before. These are seats right here. These are not seat covers. These are cat skin leather seats, custom made for the Bat Design Company. And this is the number 12. Y'all got your own number on it. And this one is number 12. You got the 12-inch screen. You got the big panoramic sunroof. Parking sensors front and back. This is even a 4-wheel drive. Look at this.
Trucks used to be bought for hauling, towing, and real work. But today, for many people, they become more of a status symbol than a tool. Shiny rims, lift kits, leather interiors are not about utility. They're about image. I know plenty of people that own really expensive trucks and they've never had anything in the back. One of those people even complained that they're paying around $200 a week in fuel. At the time, his monthly fuel bill was more than I was paying for my insurance, gas, and car payment combined.
Looks absolutely sick. All those spots to charge devices with the charging pad down there. My goodness. Adaptive cruise control, automatic headlights. This thing is badass, let me tell you. These back seats, pretty sick as well, man. Not seat covers. I just want to stress that to you. And all of this uplift right here is still under factory warranty. A lot of upfit companies cannot make that claim, but the Bat Design Company can. Here's a breakdown what the Bat Design Company did to this truck. MSRP, $83,703, but with all these rebates, we get it for $71,708. What a phenomenal deal. This badass truck right here at Randall Dodge will not last long, so act quick. You don't want to miss out on it. Woo.
Whether it's a $7,800 truck or a basic car payment you can't afford, if it's draining your wallet, it's not worth it. Vehicles are one of the fastest ways to destroy your finances if you overspend. Trucks have shifted from being work tools to status symbols. It seems like people are spending more for the look than what the truck is actually for. Between massive loan payments, rising insurance, and skyrocketing fuel prices, it's no wonder people are ending up buried in debt. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like button, drop a comment, and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
California, I do the gas. Okay, I do it fast because it's so expensive. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see how much. 係啊，有冇搞錯啊？仆街啊！你臭閪！